New York is a place like nowhere else on earth, full of diverse places, scenery, and people. And in this video, we're going to be showcasing 3 amazing custom glasses that we created for New Yorkers, which are all different, but all perfect for each person. And I'm going to be hand delivering them here in New York as part of a new 4-episode series where I'm touring the US and delivering glasses to the likes of YouTubers with over 1 million subscribers and a former catwalk model, all yet to come. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at The Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. Our story starts on the New York subway. To meet Raj, who's actually a collector of Luca de Stale frames. And I say that because this is his 3rd pair now. Each one has been unique and beautiful in its own way. For those who don't know, Luca de Stale frames are made from natural materials, all natural. And this particular pair, as you can see, made in stone. A lighter coloration of stone, which I think works really well with Raj's skin tone and pairs perfectly with the custom tint. These lenses are pretty amazing, and I've been talking about them a lot recently. We used IoT technology, which is an independent lens designer, to create something one of a kind for Raj. So these lenses, as you can see in the sun, they have ruby transitions, they have a beautiful red flash coating, so you get that really vibrant red finish, which looks stunning in contrast with the neutral coloration of the stone. And not only that, but gives a beautiful view, an incredible perspective on this Bay Area by the World Trade Center. Wow. And I'll just let these pictures speak for themselves because the way that lens transforms the sky is incredible. But back indoors, the lenses fade back to a slight base tint. So these glasses are suitable for wearing all the time, outdoors and in. The one thing that Raj said to me which stuck in my mind when I was capturing these pictures of him, he said something like, "I'm not a model like you. I'm not going to look good on camera." It's just the right glasses paired to the right person and wearing them with confidence and pride. And here Raj did that excellently, and I think these glasses are a perfect match to him. Once we'd finished, I headed over to see Juliano, who you may remember from my visit to Switzerland where we met up last time. And since you already know him, I'm going to just focus on the unboxing of these glasses. So this is the Gast Astro, which I've been wearing myself recently, with a custom shape, a light gradient purple tint, and light faceted edges around the lens rim, which gives it that extra bit of definition and just that really classy look. Gast frames are really affordable, so although these frames look expensive, they really aren't. And the magic again happens when we step outside. This is another IoT design. This one transitions into a deep purple color with a blue flash coating. Just look at the beauty of that when it's in the sun. Again, perfect combination of indoor and outdoor glasses. And with that delivery done, it was time to enjoy a little bit of New York. New York is an incredible place. You know, I've traveled all over the world and I'm very grateful for that. But nowhere is like this city. It's such an interesting amalgamation of cultures, of people, of sheer insanity sometimes, but also real genuine friendliness as well. And the views, I mean, they're breathtaking. Just take a look. And as part of this 4-part series of my visit to the US, you're going to see a lot more of this. I'm going to be taking you through some of the things that I actually experienced. For now, it was time to meet up with Charles. Must be the coolest car in New York City. And I was ready to deliver this pair, which is from Alpina. They have an amazing history and heritage in motorsport. Now, Charles is an interesting character, and he actually sources vintage sunglass models like this, searches for them, he finds them, and he sends them to us to install the custom lenses. And later in the evening, Charles invited me so kindly to the New York Yacht Club. Let me tell you, at that party, everyone was asking Charles about his new glasses. And for me, you know, helping you feel special in your eyewear, that is what the right glasses can do for the right person. The thing is, we're all unique, and the right glasses depends on the individual. There isn't one best pair of glasses. And what I try to do is design the right glasses for the right person that perfectly encapsulates their personality, their sense of style, and what they want to achieve in terms of their vision as well. And that's where my next meeting came in, because Don, when he heard that I was traveling to New York, reached out to me and asked for some advice. So we met up in the restaurant at the Grand Central Station, we'll be back here later, to chat about him and what he wants to achieve from his glasses. And I'm really excited to be designing his new eyewear wardrobe with him. But we have one more pair of glasses left to talk about, and that's mine. In this video I've been wearing the Anglo-American Optical Phits, which is a really affordable frame, but I think really cool at the same time in a very understated and kind of vintagey way. And for me, that was my personal take on New York City. They have a blue gradient tint and they have a jade flash coating. They look more tinted than they are. As you can see here, looking through them, the view is almost completely natural. But the main benefit comes from the jade flash coating, which you can kind of see. It adds this kind of sheen onto the scene that you're seeing, and it acts as almost like a divider between you and the world. Now, New York, I loved it, but it was quite intense at the same time. And having that barrier between me and everyone else in the big city, for me personally, just made me mentally feel much more comfortable. And that's something that I would recommend to more people. I think this blue and jade combination, I think it's pretty underrated and more people should consider getting it. But my trip was only getting started. And coming soon, we have the amazing Linda, who's a former catwalk model turned photographer, beautiful person, beautiful personality. I'm going to be styling her with an entirely new eyewear wardrobe. And I'm going to be heading to Las Vegas to review some of the world's best luxury sunglasses. To deliver more custom glasses, and to meet Kevin, aka Frenchy Fries, to create a new eyewear wardrobe for someone with over 1 million subscribers.
Hey, bro, you made it. Welcome in.
And no matter who you are, wherever in the world you are, getting the right glasses can be a life-changing moment. And on that note, I'll leave you with maybe the king of tinted glasses. And thanks to my job and my incredible clients, I got to see live in Vegas.
It's one me in the night. One love, get to share it. Leaves you, baby. You don't care. If I disappoint you, leave a bad taste in your mouth. You act like you never had love, and you want